Good morning, viewers. I am I Naga Ramakrishna, working as life skills and functional English trainer in APSWR School cum Junior College for Boys, Narendrapuram, P. Gannavaram, East Godavari District. Today, I would like to explain whole body listening. It is from 7th class functional English textbook. In this lesson, we will discuss whole body listening. We will learn how to listen with our whole body. We will also learn what parts of our bodies are required in order to use whole body listening. Before that, we should know what is whole body listening. In this lesson, we will learn how whole body listening is giving different parts of your body a specific job so that you are completely focused in on what is being said. This listening involves more than just using your ears. Listening with your whole body can also be requires practice and explanation in order for students to truly understand. Whole body listening involves more than just using your ears. It means also using your eyes, feet, body, mouth, brain, hands, and heart. Each part plays a specific role so that you can truly focus, hear, and understand what is being said. Ears. In whole body listening, ears have to be ready to hear. But it's hard to hear. Rest of your body is not prepared to hear. Eyes. Your eyes must be focused on who is speaking. Looking around the room is not giving your full attention to the person who is talking, and you may miss something that is important. The eyes are the windows to the soul, and they reveal so much, including a lack of interest. Your eyes will keep you honest. So, be sure your eyes and ears are equally tuned to the person who is speaking in front of you. In Improve, you learn about listening with the eyes. It's an important part of understanding everything happening in your surroundings. Unless you understand your scene, how can you adapt and respond appropriately? While listening with our ears is incredibly important, using our eyes in the listening process is just as critical in order to adequately understand the person in front of us. Feet. Your feet must also be flat on the floor, and your body should be facing the person who is talking. This is the way of telling the speaker that you are preparing to hear what is going to be said. Mouth. In order to listen with your whole body, you should also remain silent. It is almost impossible to hear what someone else saying if you are talking. Hands. Your hands also have a job to do. They should be in your lap, by your side, or in your pockets. If you are playing with or touching something, your focus leaves the speaker and redirects itself to the thing in or on your hands. Brain. The brain should think about what is being said. Heart. And your heart is ready to grasp what is being said. Brain and heart each is a very important part of whole body listening. You should be using your brain to think about what is being said. If you are thinking about what needs to be done at home or how you plan to spend your weekend, you aren't truly focused on what is being said. Body posture. An active listener pays full attention to the speaker and ensures they understand the information being delivered. The correct body language makes you a better active listener and therefore more open and receptive to what the speaker is saying. At the same time, it indicates that you are listening to them. The correct body posture makes you a better active listener and therefore more open and receptive to what the speaker is saying. At the same time, it indicates that you are listening to them. Leaning is another way your body indicates your emotions. Leaning backward usually signals feelings of dislike or negativity. Positive attitudes towards tend to be accompanied by leaning forward, especially when sitting down. So, body posture also plays a vital role in whole body listening. Now, once revise the points about the whole body listening. The brain thinking about what is being said. The eyes looking at the speaker. Ears listen what is being said by the speaker. Mouth should be quiet, hands in your pocket or in your lap. Feet should be laid on the floor, and your heart should be ready to grasp what is being said. This is whole body listening. My dear children, now you have a small assessment on the topic the whole body listening. Thank you.